You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I love.
And some years later, when I became a lecturer in maths and she retired, she gave me her collection of maths books, which I still have.
Mrs. Balakrishnan, she was undoubtedly my favorite teacher at school and someone who touched my heart.
Hi friends, it's so good to be here in Lovedale, even though it's a virtual get-together.
Past 6 years. As a teacher, I feel like I am just one with the children when
Fun was had by the girls.
I think girls had more fun.
The boys and the girls had a different way of having fun.
I think it's the girls.
Can't answer for the guys, but I know we did.
I think everyone had fun in school. But if I had to choose, I'd say girls.
To the Prides of March, do a YouTube Facebook search. Excitement galore like never before on the OL Assembly. Please watch.